In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to link your YouTube account to Discord profile on mobile. And this is actually pretty easy, so we are going to start right away. So what we want to do is we want to have our YouTube app opened up, of course, or our Discord app, so I'm sorry. And once we're here, we want to click on our profile picture at the bottom right corner, just like this. And yeah, right here it already says connections, so we're gonna click on the connections tab. And currently we only have our Spotify linked, but we want our YouTube to be linked as well, so we're going to click on the add button at the top right corner. And right here you can connect all kinds of different platforms, but we want to connect YouTube, of course, so we're gonna click on that. This will take you over to Google, and you want to log into your YouTube account, which I'm going to do right now. And once you're logged in, you can click a channel, and I'm going to click this one right here, and then just click on allow. And it says connected your YouTube account to Discord, then click on done, just like this. And it says connected right now, and you want to have the display on profile selected as well. So when we go back to a server, for example, and click on my profile, we can see under the connections tab, our YouTube channel and my Spotify as well is connected to this account. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.